Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Coco Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet Halloween witch hat. This is part 2. They're very easy to make. You can attach it to hairband or you can attach them to hair clips to add on to your Halloween look. If you haven't made the main part of the hat from part 1, I've attached the video link in the right corner. Continue on from the last video. Now we're going to make the curly part on top of the hat, working on the 100cm yarn we left in the beginning. So insert the hook into any stitch on top of the hat, wrap the yarn on the left hand, and then yarn over, pull it through, and then we'll make 15 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After this 15 chain stitches, we'll go back to the second last chain stitch, insert it in, making a single, and then keep going one single into every stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we're coming to the end. We'll insert into any stitch on top of the hat, making a slip stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and then chain 1. Now we can cut the yarn off and pull it all the way through. And it is now finished. We can see it naturally curls up when we finish. Now we just need to hide all the ends hanging around. If you already hide the black yarn as you go, you can just cut the excess off. And if you didn't hide the yarn as you go, you can insert the leftover yarn into the yarn needle. Insert the needle into any stitches at the back and guide the yarn through. You can also go through more stitches just to be secure. And after you finish, cut the excess off. Same with the other ends. After you finish hiding all the ends, the little Halloween witch hat is finished. You can also make the hat in other colors to match the Halloween theme, like purple, black, or green. Now I'll show you how to finish this project by adding it to the hairband or the hair clip. The materials needed are the felt fabric and the hair clip. I've got the color matching with the hat. If you don't have the matching colors, it's okay too. It will be facing down and it won't be saying when you wear it. The hairband, if you're attaching it to the hairband. Scissors. A circle shape about the size of the hat. I'm using the baby bottle lid. You can find anything that helps you to draw a circle. Hot glue gun. And the stuffing file. To start, we'll measure out a circle shape that's slightly smaller than the hat but bigger than the whole of the hat. Measure it out on the fabric. And then cut it out. Same with the other colors if you are making a few of the hats. After you finish cutting out the circles, we will put the stuffing fill inside of the hat. If you are attaching it to the heel clip, we need to mark out where the heel clip will be inserted in. Fold the fabric in half and cut a little open where the mark is. Insert the heel clip in and clip it in. Then we'll apply the hot glue along the brim part of the hat. Put the fabric on and press it firmly, and then keep working along the edges until it's all attached. And there you go, a cute heel clip for Halloween. Now I'll show you how to attach it to the hairband. So same thing, put the stuffing fill inside. And then apply the hot glue along the brim part of the hat. Attach the fabric onto the crochet piece. Now find the place where you want to put the hat on the hairband, apply the hot glue and press it on. And there you go, a witch hat hairband. You can also make these in different colors to match with different themes. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you more Halloween themed crochet tutorials. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and DIY project. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. This is Coco Crochet. See you soon in the next video. Bye!